Predominantly in Ohio, the statute of limitations for a personal injury claim is 2 years. So when any individual or entity causes injury or harm to another person by their negligence, there's typically a 2-year statute of limitations in Ohio, and that includes car accident claims, slip and fall claims, premise liability claims. General negligent tort claims are governed by Ohio's 2-year statute of limitations. There are other times where a shorter statute of limitations applies, and that's predominantly in medical malpractice claims. Medical malpractice claims have a 1-year statute of limitations. And there are some exceptions, but the general rule is 1 year from the date that the malpractice occurred, or 1 year from the date that you discovered a malpractice occurred. So there's some exceptions, but it's generally 1 year in med mal cases. The 2-year time frame on injury claims, I think the legislation behind that is that people who are injured abruptly and their life is displaced because of injury or harm to them, they're not forced to make a decision on settling their case or filing a lawsuit within a short period of time. They do have time to allow themselves to get back into good health and to allow themselves to heal and to determine where their medical condition is before they got to make a decision. So I think that's really important for people to know. On the flip side, I think that on medical malpractice claims, people have to realize that that 1-year time frame is actually a very short leash in the legal world. It doesn't really give lawyers a lot of time to investigate a claim or individuals to heal and get back into good health before they resolve a case. And I think that a large reason why the statute of limitations is shorter on medical malpractice claims is because there's been lobbyists and legislation and doctors and insurance companies are trying to limit tort claims. And one of those areas that they have effectively done a pretty good job in Ohio in limiting tort claims is medical negligent claims.